Have you ever felt like you're drowning in repetitive tasks that eat your time but don't grow your income? Imagine if you could replace 30 full-time employees with a few smart automations that work 24/7 without breaks, complaints, or salaries. What if your CRM updated itself, your invoices sent themselves, and new leads were followed up automatically within seconds of landing on your site, increasing your chances of closing them by up to 391%? It's not a dream. It's what top digital entrepreneurs are quietly doing right now. And today, I'm going to show you how you can set up these same automations in your business to save hundreds of hours while making more money, even if you're just starting out. Hey everyone, welcome to Digitalprofithacks, the channel where we turn smart tools and simple systems into real income streams. If you're new here, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss strategies that can help you build digital income without burnout. We drop practical videos like this every week to help you work smarter, not harder. All right, let's dive straight in. First up, let's talk about the new lead speed hack. The data is clear. If you call or text a new lead within 60 seconds of them filling out your website form, you can increase your conversion rate by nearly 400%. Most people lose money because they respond too late. Think about it. Someone is browsing your site, interested enough to fill out a quote form, and in the next 10 minutes, they'll probably check Instagram, feed their dog, or move on with their day. If you call them instantly while they're still in that mindset, you're the first one in, and it builds trust immediately. Here's how to fix that. You can use make.com to connect your website form to your CRM, whether that's Go High Level, HubSpot, or even a Google Sheet if you're just starting out. As soon as someone fills out your form, your system automatically sends a personalized text message. Hey, just saw your request come in and would love to help. You can even add a call module that rings them instantly so you're first in line every time without lifting a finger. Imagine running a small business and constantly missing leads because you're checking emails only at night. After setting up this system, you could start booking new clients simply by responding faster than competitors, without having to change your daily routine. No more scrambling to respond. No more worrying about losing leads while you're in meetings or picking up your kids. Your system works while you're living your life. And if you're wondering how hard this is to set up, it's simpler than it sounds. In make.com, you set a trigger for new form submission, map the fields to your CRM or Google Sheet, then add an SMS action with your chosen text, and you're done. You can also add filters, like only sending text during business hours or routing VIP leads to you immediately. Now let's move to the second game changer, auto-generating your contracts and invoices. If you're freelancing or running an agency, sending proposals and invoices manually slows you down and kills your momentum. Imagine you just had a great discovery call with a potential client. They're excited, but while you're drafting a proposal, they start talking to other providers. That delay could cost you the deal. Using a tool like PandaDoc, paired with make.com, you can instantly generate professional proposals as soon as your call ends. Picture collecting the client's project details on a form right after your call, like event dates, service packages, and any upsells they selected, and then having a clean branded proposal in their inbox before they even finish their coffee. This creates a frictionless client experience and closes deals faster because you're the professional who moves quickly. Many service providers spend hours formatting Word documents for proposals, adjusting prices, and chasing signatures. With this automation, proposal time can drop to 5 minutes, and your close rate can increase simply by being faster and more professional. Speaking of closing deals, let's talk about the hidden automation that saves hours of boring admin work. Automatic accounting updates. After a client signs and pays, the final invoice often looks different from your original proposal due to discounts, upsells, or changes in scope. Instead of manually updating your CRM and spreadsheets, you can set up a workflow that automatically syncs the final paid invoice details with your CRM, your accounting software, and a Google Sheet for quick reference. It's not glamorous, but these are the automations that will give you your time back to focus on high-value activities that actually move your business forward. Think about how much mental energy you waste wondering, did I update that payment in my spreadsheet? Or, am I missing payments I should be following up on? This kills your focus. Automate it once, and free your brain for creative, revenue-generating work. Next up, let's talk about recruitment automation. If you're building a team or running a content business, you know sorting through hundreds of applications can drain your time. Using Google Sheets with Make.com, you can automate your hiring pipeline. Candidates fill out a form, their data goes into your sheet, and by simply checking a box, you can trigger automated actions, sending rejection emails, assigning skill tests, or scheduling interviews. Imagine running a content business and spending hours every week filtering applications manually. With this workflow, you could handle thousands of applications each month without needing extra HR staff, saving money, and freeing up your time for high-level strategy. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by hiring, this system will give you the power to scale without burning out. Now let's cover a personal favorite: scraping leads and sending AI-powered lead magnets automatically. Let's say you target local businesses in your city. Instead of manually finding them, you can use a no-code tool like Apify to scrape business directories for leads, grab their websites, and use Make.com with ChatGPT to analyze their services and generate a high-value content calendar tailored to each business. Then, you can automatically email them this lead magnet, opening doors for future conversations without begging for attention. It's a powerful way to position yourself as a value provider, not a spammer. Imagine the difference between cold emailing with "Do you need my service?" versus "I noticed your business could benefit from a strong Instagram presence, so I created a free 7-day content calendar you can post this week." The second approach builds trust instantly. Next, if you're building authority online, you need to post content consistently, but creating and posting manually is time-consuming. You can automate blog post generation using keyword research tools like SEMrush or Google Keyword Planner to find low-competition, high-volume keywords. Then, using Make.com and ChatGPT, you can generate outlines, full blog posts, adjust tone for readability, and auto-publish them on WordPress or save them in Google Sheets for your VA to post. Using this strategy, it's possible to rank articles on Google the same day, bringing in free organic traffic on autopilot. A well-timed article can attract thousands of visitors in a month without spending on ads, powered entirely by an automated workflow that runs while you sleep. And it doesn't stop there. Once your post is approved, you can use automation to extract the featured image, generate captions, and auto-post it on your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even Google My Business accounts, expanding your reach without adding more to your to-do list. If you struggle with coming up with content ideas, here's another automation: scraping TikTok for viral content inspiration in your niche. You can pull data like views, engagement rates, and hashtags from trending videos to create a curated list of content ideas ready to adapt for your channels. This is a lifesaver if you post multiple times per day and don't want to run out of ideas. And let's not forget project management automation. Using Make.com with ClickUp, you can automatically create customized project boards for each client once a deal closes, assigning tasks, due dates, and priorities to your team instantly, ensuring smooth delivery without the manual setup chaos that slows you down. 2 final quick wins: tracking analytics and building a live customer database. With Make.com, you can track your sales funnel performance, ad campaigns, and lead sources, updating your dashboards automatically so you always know what's working without spending hours on reports. And by syncing your CRM with Google Sheets, you can have a live list of all your paying customers with their details accessible anytime, anywhere. These are just a few of the automations replacing full-time employee hours in businesses worldwide, while freeing up founders to focus on growing revenue instead of getting stuck in admin work. If you want a detailed, step-by-step blueprint showing you how to build these automations to save hundreds of hours and scale your digital income, I've put together a guide with workflows you can copy and start using today. Check the pinned comment below to grab your guide. If you found these strategies valuable, make sure to hit subscribe, like this video, and comment below which automation you're excited to set up first. I'd love to hear how you're planning to use these to take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching until the end. And remember, It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Let's build your systems, scale your freedom, and as always, let's go make it happen. Let's make a profit.